So what I was thinking I would do today is a set of warm-ups. What's really cool about using digital medium is it can help you speed up the learning process tenfold. It's just really great to embrace it as a tool. So on a day like today, I can just take a look at some of the photos I've taken from places I've painted and maybe come up with some solutions. So open up my screen record. I'm going to show you guys some examples of maybe what we could do here. So this one I thought was a really good photograph to work from. This is up in Lake Sabrina, the Bishop area. And there's a couple of things that are good to work out in this image. Number one, it's complicated. There's so many complex rock shapes. It's beautiful as a photograph to look at, but I feel like if we got rid of a lot of the detail in there, we can get a little bit more of a statement